Hello, my name is Zach. I am 10. This is Lisa. Lisa is 10. This is Jeff. Jeff is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is Lisa. Lisa is 10. Name Lisa. Age 10. This is Jeff. Jeff is 9. Name Jeff. Age 9. Kate 9. This is Kate. Kate is 9. Marek 10. This is Marek. Mark is 10. Sophie 11. This is Sophie. Sophie is 11. What's your name? My name is Marek. What's her name? Her name is Ola. What's his name? His name is Alex.